Hey, hi peoples of the YouTubes, and welcomes to Pixelmon with Bubble Turtle Part 2. And we are back, and I actually made this little furnace place and made an awesome apricot farm over here off camera, and I've been mining for like years.
And Alex did nothing. Like usual.
Yeah, like usual. He just makes me do everything. So yeah, we're actually going to make a bunch of Pokeballs today.
Mm-hmm.
And I actually put a lot of yellow and black down so we can make a bunch of Ultra Balls. So yeah, let's get into it.
Do we have hammers?
Oh god, I have a lot of iron though.
Alright, good.
Dude, I have like 60. Yeah, that's how much I mined. And I mined 21 aluminums. Oh, and we are actually going... I actually found a bunch of diamonds. Which I'm going to mine, like, right now. Just have to make another iron pick, because it's, like, broken. See? It's broken! And where are my sticks?
It just doesn't love you, Justin.
What?
It doesn't love you.
What doesn't love me?
Pick.
The pick?
I'm sorry I never told you.
Oh. That's not nice. Okay, so I found 2 plots of diamonds. Okay, so where's the first one?
Dash.
I think, oh, there they are. I was standing on them. This better not just be one.
We're gonna need a lot of iron.
What?
We're gonna need a lot of iron for this.
Oh, I have 10 in my inventory. For 2. Okay, so that was the first one. Crap. So, yeah, my computer's about to restart in 15 minutes. That's just stupid. Okay. So, now I'm gonna have to go to my more diamonds, which is right there.
Oh, hey. I'm in a cave.
Oh! Yeah, you went down to mine?
Into a cave.
Dude, this is lots of diamonds. Dude, I have 7 diamonds. 7.
Hey, homie.
Okay, I'm going home. I'm going back. Oops. Teleport to. Okay. So now that I'm here, dude, you're gonna have to be so happy.
I found more diamonds.
You did?
Get over to me. TP to me.
Okay. Bibble turtle. Oh crap. Where?
They're back there.
But dude, look at my hand. Look.
You have to make me one. If I get these, you have to make me one.
I have 2.
Alright, how much do they need?
5. So we need 3 more.
I'm pretty sure this is at least 2. I know that.
Okay, we're gonna at least need 3 to make you 1. Okay, and we really here. You want me to mine them? Oh, dude, this is a bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
6.
No way. It was 4, 5, 6. It's 8. Ow.
I found 8 diamonds and you found 7.
We're missing 2 more. We're missing 2 diamonds. Where did they go?
Where's the gravel? Break all the gravel.
Oh, wait, no. Actually, you only did find 6. Oops.
No, I have 2 diamonds.
You do?
Yep, we found 8. Alright, give me the other 6 since they're mine.
What? What? Oh, no. I only have 3. Whoops. Here. Take this. It's like they burnt.
Yeah, you stole them.
Sorry. Okay, but let's go back to the Pokemon Center and let's store all of our diamonds. Okay.
Sorry, I slipped.
You slipped?
Oh, I need to do something.
I'm gonna make you an iron hammer, okay? Because I don't. Should we waste diamonds? We can just share this diamond one. Okay.
You're right.
Yeah. Okay, so here I'm gonna create some iron. I mean some of these.
Wait, where do we put all of the loot? Here.
What do you mean? How do I do this? Like that? No. How do I create the bottoms? Oh, how do I create the bottom of a Pokeball? So like that? No, that's how you make an iron helmet. No. How do I create the bottom of a, you know, how? Dude.
Oh, I know.
How?
Well, in 1 second.
How do I grab this block? No, how do I create this block? What the? Whalmer. Oh, I know how. I made 10. Okay, so we have 10 Ultra Balls. Now cook some stone for me, okay?
Alright. Alright, so if we have 10 Ultra Balls, then we split them 5 and 5.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Dude, this diamond thing is awesome. Dude, this goes so fast. Okay, go cook some cobble. You got some, right? We need 10. 10 cobble. 10 stone.
That's exactly how many made. 10.
Nice. 10 buttons.
10 stone.
Here, get one more iron. Wait, whoa. How did you get that armor? Why did you craft... Did you take all the diamonds? Are you serious?
I found 8. I took 8. I'm fair.
No, you're not. Well, you just crafted a diamond. Monsters are off, you know. Why do you need...
Just for me to look cool.
And
Yeah.
You're gonna have to repay me all my iron. You found none of that iron.
Alright, fine.
How much is that? 5. 7, 5, and 4. 16. You owe me 16 pieces of iron. 16, buddy. You have to give me 16 pieces of iron. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Okay, dude. Last one. And then I need those buttons.
Where's mine? I finished one and it disappeared. Oh, there it is.
I need the
They
buttons.
go flying after you pick them off.
What?
They go flying after you pick them off.
What? These? What did you do with these? These aren't even...
They just go flying.
I need those buttons.
In the furnace room, there should be some stone smelting.
Okay. Cool. Oh, hey, it's all done. Okay, you ready for this? I got 10 Ultra Balls. I got an achievement. Gotta catch them all.
Gotta catch you. Wait, you have 10 Ultra Balls.
Yeah,
We each have 5, though.
I know. Make your own.
I am. How do you have 10 and I have 5?
There we go. Now we both have 5.
Okay.
You still owe me iron.
Deal.
You still owe me it. And you're not
I know.
using any of mine. And I know exactly how much I've used.
I've used 16.
What? No, you haven't. You've used a bunch of the bottom plates.
No, I haven't.
And you owe me apricots.
I've used 16.
Dude, these Ultra Balls are gonna be awesome.
I know.
You know. We're gonna have to cook more buttons, you know?
Yeah, I know. What you doing?
Dude, stop.
What you doing over there?
I'm making Ultra Balls.
Oh, are you?
Yes, I did. This is just gonna be us making Pokeballs, isn't it?
Mine just went flying somewhere and I can't find it. There it is.
Why do you...
Where's all the stone?
I already used it all on our
Are you
Pokeball.
serious?
Yeah.
All of that was my stone.
No, why not?
You used my stone, now we're even.
No way.
Yep.
I'll pay you back your 10 cobblestone.
I want stone.
Fine. Give you 10 stone. You owe me my coal. You owe me my coal, man.
I'm not using any coal.
Yeah, you are.
This is my coal. I put it in there.
No, you didn't.
I took your coal out and I put it in a chest.
Okay, where? Dude, this has been...
It's hidden on the roof.
Sure.
I hid a chest on the roof.
Sure. Okay, cool.
You can check.
Okay, I will.
You will?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Yeah. That's all my stone, by the way. I know how much stone I put in there. Now I gotta go get my coal. Crap.
Gotta catch it.
Dude, 5 more minutes and then my computer restarts. Oh no, don't hit me, I'm out of food.
Oh, that's a shame.
Stone. Dude, give me back my stone.
I donated to you. I brought 35 in there. And I only took 11.
I'm taking your stone.
Alright, give me an Ultra Ball count. How many do you have?
I'm not giving you any of the Ultra Balls that I make.
No, I don't care, but just tell me how many you have.
15.
Alright, you have a ton more than me.
Yeah, and I made your 5.
I don't care.
I made your 5, though. No. Let's go catch Pokemons.
My God.
I'm gonna catch better Pokemon.
Run! Run! You're dead.
I'm dead?
I am.
Fail.
Bite him! Yeah, bite him!
I am gonna go and win any battle.
Bite him!
Run to you. Oh my god, run.
Bite him! Aw. Go pitch it!
Dang it! This stupid Rat-a-tat!
Tackle him.
I can't run against this guy.
Oh, he wants to go.
Who wants
He wants
to?
to go Rat-a-tat. Rat-a-tat versus level 40 Pillowswine. Let's go.
You have a level 40 Pillowswine. You have a level 40 Pillowswine. Is that what I just...
No, a level 40 Pillowswine was attacking my level 7 Rat-a-tat.
Oh.
You got it backwards, homie.
Yeah, I did.
Trying to find good training.
Me too. Oh my god. 1 down, many to go.
Hey, where are all the Pidgeotos? I saw a ton of them earlier. There's one. Ooh, iron ingots.
You're not taking none of
this
mine.
is gonna work so well.
I know how much. I've used 20 of my iron. No, I haven't. I've used
No!
16. No, 12. 12. I've used 12. And you've used a lot.
Well, I look more stylish, so screw you.
You still want me all of the iron back. So you're gonna be, you know. Oh, we're gonna have to go soon.
Oh my god. This Pidgeotto is so annoying. He keeps whirlwinding and leaving.
Did you know I already have a Pidgeotto?
What?
I already have one. Sonic Boom!
Oh my god.
This stupid Pidgeotto keeps using Whirlwind.
I hate Pidgeottos.
I do too.
Wait, you have Pidgeotto?
Yeah. Fudge. Why do you?
No.
I want one.
I have a Pidgey.
You have a Pidgey.
Yeah, I'm taking all my, I'm doing the good thing and I'm actually trying my Pokemon.
That's fun.
I'm not going to catch high levels. I'm just going to take my low levels.
You've already caught that, one of them. Why can't I drive my Pidgeotto?
That's actually the lowest level you can catch Carvanha's at.
What?
That's the lowest level you can catch them at.
That's a
23.
lie. No?
Yep.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to go. So, peace out, peoples. And next time we're just gonna be training again. You know, the use. And I need to go brag to Bubble that I have a better Pidgeotto than him. You see? What?
I don't have a Pidgeotto.
Shilo? Oh yeah, look at my Pidgeotto.
I said I didn't want a Pidgeotto.
I will whirlwind you. So, peace out, peoples. Love ya. Mwah.